You are watching the Kadakola railway station in the YouTube channel Mysore Studio. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Mysore Studio. Thank you very much. Kadakola is a small village around 24 kilometers from Mysore along the Mysore-Nanjangud highway. Many bigger towns do not have a railway station, but Kadakola, being a small village, has got a railway station. One of the main reasons being is that the TVS Industries, TVS Automobile Company production units are located in Kadakola. I was lucky during the filming of the Kadakola railway station. A train passed through the station. In fact, it stopped here for a few minutes. It was a passenger train, and most importantly, it was a steam engine train. In the days, in this modern age of bullet trains and supersonic bullet trains, still in some remote parts of India, you will be able to locate passenger trains that are steam engine trains. You are watching the YouTube channel Mysore Studio to watch and to explore more of railway stations all over India in the remotest parts of India. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel Mysore Studio. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.